This is known as a river is known as a flow, flux. Flux means water. Flux means कभी भी आप flux word को पढ़ते हैं इसका मतलब क्या है? Something is moving with water. Fluidity is there. Fluid. I said that initial level पे this is and this is known as a water divide. In between the two, I said that a river flow or something there is an I said that water divide or interflow or it is known as what? Clear है? And then keeps on eroding, and perhaps in the river landform I said that the river started doing what? In the humid region they started doing widening the river. Yes. And widening का मतलब क्या है? Erosion. They are doing erosion, widening of the what is in a river valley, and when the widening of the river is valley done by the lateral erosion, at the same time convex slope. At the same time, what is there? Convex slope. So the convex slope also doing what is in a weathering and erosion. So what we are able to see, slowly and slowly, if you are able to see that this is a, if you will be able to see, it is becoming like ये ऐसा feature and it is will keep on increasing. तो इंटरफ्लो पहला बात तो ये छोटा होता जा रहा है और इसके बीच में जो ये वाटर डिवाइड बिकमिंग आल्सो शॉर्टर, रिवर स्टार्टेड व्हाट, तो देयर इज एन कन्वेक्स, देयर इज आई सेड दैट कन्वेक्स, देयर इज आई सेड दैट अर्लियर लाइक दिस convex and you can say little rectilinear and then concave. So which are the slopes in the I said that Davis slope decline, convex, little rectilinear and concave. And when it is coming into the second stage, then this rectilinear has been removed due to the I said that lateral erosion. What happened? Lateral erosion and weathering and erosion. This started what? Decreasing, and there is a convex and concave. So which slopes come? Convexo-concave. Which slope come? One side is convex, another side is what? Concave. और जो कई बुक्स में आपने देखा होगा, if I said वही पिक्चर में ढूंढ रहा था. In the several books, if it is if you have seen, so if you see here that this is known as what? Water divide, or we can say that interflow. Is it okay? And that is I said that the youth stage. What I said that? In the youth stage I said that you can be able to see here, you can be able to see yes, कन्वेक्स, थोड़ा सा आपको क्या मिलेगा? रेक्टिलिनियर, एंड हियर यू विल सी व्हाट? कॉन्केव, क्योंकि रिवर यूज्ड टू टेक अवे द व्हाट? शिट वॉश. सो दिस आर द व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. आई सेड दैट इन दिस रीजन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन दिस रीजन, इन दिस रीजन, इन दिस रीजन, एवरीवेयर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग in the river landform or in this kind of it, weathering as well as erosion. Which phenomena is happening? Weathering and erosion. So this is in a convex, rectilinear and concave. Further, because यहाँ पे क्या है? What is happening in the first stage? Vertical erosion is more than, in the first stage vertical erosion is more than lateral erosion, and then what is happening at the same time? Weathering at the top, water divide, yes, and then what is happening, and then shall I remove this? First youth stage. In the second stage, what happened? This river has been further. I said that this reason come under. I said that through the weathering and erosion. I said what left? In the second stage, what happened? In the mature stage? Yes, lateral erosion is much more than which erosion? Vertical erosion. And पानी बहुत दूर तक जा रहा है. When the water is going, then all kind of chemical weathering will take place. And I said that which weathering, especially chemical weathering, it is taking place. And what happened? What happened? River widening has been taken place, and the rectilinear slope a bit due to what is a high amount of lateral weathering and lateral erosion and weathering and lateral erosion. What happened? This is convex, and this is concave. Convex and concave. And what is happening? Water divide is reducing, and then water divide height is reducing, and water divide is also what? Width is reducing, height and width both are water divide. Yeah, water divide height and width. Water divide height and water divide height, better to say relative relief. Is reducing. Relative relief का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of relative relief? The two words are there: absolute relief and relative relief. Relative relief, ये relative relief है compared to the valley. This is the relative relief. This height is known as the relative with respect to valley and with respect to mean sea level. अब समुद्र की ये कहाँ पर है? Suppose ये बन रहा है, it is happening at the 300 meter height. यूपी कितना ऊपर है? 200 meter above the sea level. लेकिन यहाँ पर हम लोग देखेंगे कि what is this depth? तो relative relief है. Yes or no? And absolute relief हमेशा किसके टर्म में बात करते हैं? With respect to base level और mean sea level. जैसे मैंने ये सी लेवल है, बेस लेवल, ये माउंटेन उठा हुआ, ये वैली है, एंड दिस इज हाइट, वाटर डिवाइड. तो यही बोलूंगा मैं रिलेटिव रिलीफ, इसकी हाइट इतनी फ्रॉम विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वैली, बट इट इज नोन एज व्हाट? एब्सोल्यूट रिलीफ विद रिस्पेक्ट टू सी लेवल. अंडरस्टूड इट? हम लोग कहां पे हैं? 200 मीटर हाइट, और यमुना से कितना ऊपर है? तो हम लोग बोलेंगे this Delhi is around 200 to 250 meter above the sea level. और गंगा और यमुना से लेंगे तो we'll say that we are above 20, 30, 40 meter above. Understood it? So this is an यमुना के रिलेशन में ले रहे हैं, that is an this one, and the sea के रिलेशन में लेंगे, that is an base level, we'll say what? Absolute relief. So I am talking about their ups. What is a water divide height? Better to say relative relief is reducing. Another I said that water divide width is reducing. And then slope developed. Slope developed. What? Convex and concave. Convex and understood? अब ये आपका क्या हो रहा है दिख रहा है? This is in a kind of what relative relief is keep on decreasing. Now, shall I remove this? So convex and concave develop. Next one I said that old stage. Better to say first like this. Further erosion, weathering and erosion. Further weathering and erosion. ये दिख रहा है, this is what is happening. Only this much is. So what you found in the old stage, lateral erosion is there, and what is there? Chemical weathering I have discussed earlier also in the river landform. Understood? And then we have कैसा valley मिला? Lateral erosion has given us wider valley, has given us, और chemical weathering की वजह से, and what happened? I said that our दोनों relative relief, जब relative relief कम होगा तो absolute relief तो होगा ही होगा. So we are discussing only about the relative relief now. Relative relief highly exist, और exist किसके फॉर्म में कर रहा है? And it is existing in the form of Inselberg or Monadnock. Yes. And then very large flat plane or gentle concave plane. क्या मिला मुझे? What is there? There is a large gentle concave plane or flat plane. तो हमें कैसा स्लोप मिला? Yes, tell me. Slope becomes completely large, very wide, flat plane or gentle concave plane. Large, flat plane or gentle concave plane. That is known as, I said that, penny plane or pennyplanation. That is known as the penny plane and pennyplanation featureless plane. Erosional surface. Understood it? और इसीलिए मैं river landform earlier I taught so that you can understand this cycle of erosion. Understood it? So there is a slope is declining. Slope is, I said that, declining. And so I said that slope decline. यहां पर इरोजन, और इस रीजन में क्या हो रहा होगा? यस टेल मी, डिपोजिशन, erosion, weathering and more deposition along with the along in this region only weathering and erosion, weathering and erosion, and this is the reason erosion and deposition. Deposition भी हुआ तो erode करके लेके गए. That is happening. Is it clear? So let us see. I said that we are going to see slope decline given by Davis. No single one of these inversely correct, and not one of them is completely appropriate to all slopes. The to extent to which retreat of actual slopes correspond to one of them depends mainly upon the structure and climate. Understood? पहले भी मैंने बताया कि geological structure, lithology, rock type, slope never depend upon, but whatever it has been said by Mr. I said that Davis, that we have to discuss. The slope becomes progressively decreased in the angle of slope in each phase of their development. The slope is progressively what? Decreasing in the each stage of their development. A concavity develops at the base and convexity extends in the length and becomes more and more gently curved over the period. थोड़े से समय के लिए आपको क्या आया था? Little bit what I said that? Rectilinear. Because it is equilibrium between the rates of weathering and transport. तो यहाँ पे यदि weathering हो रहा है और erosion हो रहा है transport, तो इसके बीच में equilibrium बना के रखा हुआ है. थोड़ा सा आपका rectilinear रहा, नहीं तो convex, and then there is we have concave. Because whatever it is happening, weathering and erosion, then here it is also deposition, and then finally erosion. So what is happening at the convex? Weathering and erosion. And what is happening at the concave? Erosion, deposition and erosion, but the output is more, erosion is more. Let us see, the elimination of the free face is done by the process of fall and slump of the bedrock until the slope is gentle enough to develop a cover of regolith. थोड़ा सा कहीं पे यदि free face होगा तो there will be converted into itself in the little bit rectilinear. This shows that the phase which is called the graded slope. Achha, what is the meaning of gradation, or what is the meaning of gradation? A gradation means a gradation